Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess, if you didn't already know, and you are now in the Princess lifestyle. So today I am back after about a week's vacation from YouTube because I was not feeling well, you guys. I was underneath the weather. So now that I am well and ready to get it poppin' back with you guys, I have another Brown Girl approved video. I've started this Brown Girl approved series that I sort of thought of it on my own, but it come to find out that other people have already been doing this. So I don't know, it doesn't really matter. But I'm doing this Brown Girl approved series because I want to have specific videos on my channel for girls like me specifically so that they can pinpoint exactly the kinds of products they need. These are videos for women of color. These are videos for women who have undertones that are underrepresented, for people that can't find their shade very often, people that want to try something but don't really know how it's gonna work out for their skin and have similar skin to me. Okay, so today I have a new installment for you guys. I am going to be giving you a review for a $9 stick foundation that I heard is going toe-to-toe with some other stick foundations, some expensive stick foundations. Like, I heard that this is going toe-to-toe with like Makeup Forever's stick foundation. That's a very big, what's the word? Accusation. So without further ado, I present to you the Makeup stick foundation. Now, these foundations have been out for a while. I have seen them everywhere really, but I've never watched a review on it. And then I was scrolling on Instagram. I was actually scrolling through my Melanin Makeup Daily hashtag. By the way, if you're not following Melanin Makeup Daily, you might want to. It is the premier melanin page for melanin beauty enthusiasts and melanin makeup artists and melanin people as a whole. If you're not following Melanin Makeup Daily, what are you doing with your life? Figure it out. So I was scrolling through the Melanin Makeup Daily hashtag and I came across, what video was it? Let me try to find it. I'm trying to come with the accuracy and it's making things difficult. I don't know. I don't know where the video was, but this is a page, a hashtag that is full of all the most talented melanin makeup beauties that you will find in the world. You feel me? And I found somebody to post on the page and I was watching the tutorial and I was like, those foundations look so smooth, so creamy, like they look like something that I should try. And then of course, to Makeup Revolution, I know their shade range is gonna be the bomb. Went to the page and I was like, okay, the shade range is lit. Let me see if they have it at Ulta. And I was doing all this at like 2 a.m. Do they have it at the store? They did. So they had my shade and I got a foundation, a highlight, and a contour shade. And I wanna try it out for you guys and let you know if it's Brown Girl approved. You feel me? So these are the 3 foundation shades that I got. I purchased F12 for my highlight shade, F15 for my foundation shade, and F18 for my contour shade. Goes on really smooth. Not color correcting, I just want to see what this foundation can do. To blend this out, I'm going to be using my Tarte huge fluffy buffing brush. We'll see how that works out because I love using dense brushes for cream foundation. And it is buffing out beautifully. I was a little bit concerned that I didn't get the right foundation shade, but luckily enough, they had one left of this F15. You guys see how that blended out? Really, really smooth. It is a match, honey. Makeup Revolution has brought the coverage. Okay. You always go back in with a beauty blender. Make sure everything is even and to get off the excess product. I'm gonna be going in with my highlight. I'm using the shade F12. And the T with F12 is I wanted to get either F13 or F14. I think it was F13. but F13 was completely sold out. And F13 is actually what I have in their liquid concealers. Fortunately, they didn't have my shade, but I still wanted to try out a highlight shade just so that I can do my full face with Makeup Revolution's product. I would not recommend using this shade if you're my complexion or darker. You can make it work as long as you don't use too much product. And you see how bold the contour is? I didn't put anything underneath the contour, but it's still very, very, very bold. That's because that F18 shade is super dark. All right, so this is what the full face is looking like. I'm gonna set my whole face with Huda Beauty's Cupcake setting powder and Coffee Cake setting powder. So my face is all the way set and I'm really loving the finish. Only thing I hate about wearing blonde hair is that even when you don't put on makeup, it lightens your complexion. It's annoying, but I do love the look. I'm going to finish up my eyes and lips and do some highlights, and then we're gonna chat. Okay, so this is the finished look. As you can see, my full face is done. I have on the Makeup Revolution stick foundations that are only $9 a pop, and I am very much so impressed. First of all, the coverage is amazing. You guys saw me gliding the foundation on. You saw how easily it blended out, and when I blended it out, none of the product disappeared. It just stayed full coverage. So this is a very, very, very good cream foundation. I don't know how they're able to get the price point at $9 and still keep the quality, because this is drugstore price, but it's not drugstore quality. I don't know what Makeup Revolution is doing, but they're doing it very, very, very well. I don't have any complaints so far about this foundation. It is a cream foundation, so if you have oily skin like me, if that is your skin type, you do need to set this foundation properly. I would suggest baking if you have oily skin, and I would bake the entire face just with the proper setting powder shades. If you do that, you should be set. So far, so good. I don't have any complaints about this foundation at all. I'm gonna be wearing it more and more throughout my video so you guys can be getting looks at it and determining whether or not you wanna buy it. I personally say it's only $9. You can't go wrong with it. And on top of it being only $9, it's really, really good. Like, it's a really good quality foundation. I am very impressed with this foundation. I love how it looks on me, how it went on, how easily it blends out, and that when I blend it out, it doesn't disappear or dissolve or lose pigmentation. I think you're gonna love it because I definitely do. Remember, I'm wearing the shade F15, F12, and F18. This is the look. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Have you tried this foundation yourself? If you have, give me your review. Let me know the tea, since this is my first time trying it. Definitely leave your comments in the comment section. If you have any questions, leave those in the comment section. If you have any video suggestions, I am open to receiving them, and leave them in the comment section. I think the makeup is gorgeous. I really like the lip color and the eye combination too. Hair, on the other hand. Don't judge me, judge your mother. Thank you for being here with me for this Brown Girl approved video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and to comment. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.